Hi, this is David Clausen with the Idea Stock Exchange, and I want to look at this historical stock, Qualcomm. In 1999, it was one of the best stocks. So let's take a look here. Already in 98, this is a monthly chart. Um, I just look at these three bars, and I know institutions are involved. And these are red bars, but it didn't go down. The selling wasn't too huge. And you can see buying in here. So that would be your first clue for a speculation to see, okay, institutions are involved. They like this stock. But the real clues came in with here. Look at this. Within 1 month, look at this volume bar and how it went up in price from around $4 up to $7.50. And then we move along and look at this. The highest volume bar and massive price. So in 2 months, it went from $4 all the way up to almost $13, and tripled. In 2 months. So you know that something's going on with this stock. You want to look at it and get involved. We move it along, and it moves along pretty nicely. Slow accumulation, slow buying, or I should say slow. It's fast, but not as fast as down here, but still steady movement up in price. Here you probably get a little shock, a little scare, but it continues going up. And here in January 2000, this is the biggest red bar that we had seen. And already by April of 2000, then you might have said, well, we're going to call it quits. Because remember, don't forget, that stock had never, it's been since that time just been trading in a trend. So that's why you want to look at charts and see if you can do a little bit better. I just want to pull up a weekly real quickly so we can see if we can pinpoint it even better. You can see here institution, but you probably didn't really get involved until here, March. Look at this. March of 1999, bam, look at that. And you would have been wondering, where do I get in? You would have observed it here. You could see it not moving up much. It's moving up on selling. Comes down here, but then there's buy-in here. So this buy-in, this bar right here, let me zoom in a little bit better. You would have said, okay, institution looks like they want it here. They're buying in here. You might have bought a little bit around here at $12.50, $13, seeing if it was going to break out. You could have a stop around here at 10. And then bam, there it did. Within a couple weeks, it had breaking out around 14.50. Get it, bought some more, kept your stop around here, and just followed along. And I'll just follow this along. We can see how it did. Now this would have given you a shock right here. And every great winning stock I see, there's always some part or some time you're going to get shocked. You're going to get scared. But look how it rebounded. Within 2 weeks, it's rebounding. It's moving along. And it just keeps going and going. So, you could have put your stops around here. Just trailed it around. You put it below this big bar. Now, here in January, this was a big red flag. Literally, it was red. High volume. Goes down a lot in price. You might have hold on. You could have your stop around here. But you would have looked, and remember that shock you got around here in August. It rebounded within 2 weeks. This never rebounded. It went down further. So you probably would have sold around here at 60 or down here around 50, 55. Because there you didn't get a rebound. And if you would have held on to it, nothing would have been moving. So you could have just sold around here around 60 and said, it doesn't look like institutions are stepping in. And then you would have sold out for sure around here. So that's a quick look at Qualcomm, one of the great stocks of 1999. You can see good buy points, where you might want to have sold, and hopefully this is some insight into you, so that if you get a winning stock, how to play it, how to work it, and what to look forward to. So any commentary on this, I would love it. I'll put a link on my page so that you can tell me if you think I'm right or wrong, or any commentary would be great. Great luck with your investing, and take care. Bye-bye.